Hi folks, so this puzzle is known as a Gigaminx and I'm going to be solving it. The Gigaminx is a lot like a Rubik's Cube, except it has 5 pieces to an edge and it's a dodecahedron, so it has 12 faces. It takes about 5 minutes to properly scramble, so I skipped that. So some stats about this: it has 20 corners, 40 edges, each of which has 3 pieces, and 12 centers, each of which has 11 pieces. In total, that brings it to 272 cubelets, or the little plastic cubey things. Some of the edges and corners obviously have multiple faces, so the number of stickers here is 372 in 12 different colors. So when you mix this up, the number of different combinations possible is 3.65 times 10 to the power of 263, or 365 quinoctogentillion. For a sense of scale, if you replaced every atom in the observable universe with a universe, and every atom in those universes with a universe, the total number of atoms would be around the same as the number of combinations on a Gigaminx. The world record solves about 9 minutes. As you can see, that's not what we're doing here today. The way that you solve it is start on the bottom, and you can see here I've finished the bottom. You match all the center pieces for each color together, and then build the edges with those 3 pieces, and then find the right corner, put it all together, and slide them in between the edges. It's not too hard as long as the top half of the puzzle is open, because you've got lots of space to move things around and match them up. As the top of the puzzle starts to get solved, what I'm doing here, it gets a lot harder, because every time you move something, you break something, so you have to use algorithms that fix things as you're moving them. So right now I'm in the long slog part of it, where I'm trying to build the edges, and it's one piece at a time. Put it in, do some moves to fix it, drop it out. Once I get all of the edges together, a few more minutes here, then it's just a matter of solving the top of the cube right up to the top layer, which is the worst, because at that point you have no working space, and every algorithm has to leave everything except the top layer unperturbed. Getting pretty close to that now. So yeah, I've got all the edges now. So now I'm just trying to get everything to the right spot, move the top pieces around, and now I'm going to permute the edges and orient them to get everything right. Almost done. And here it comes. There it is. Thanks.